7 marketing functions. Why do you buy certain products? Is it because they are popular, because they are priced right, or is it because you have to have them no matter what? What you buy is often the result of marketing by the businesses that make and sell these products. Without marketing, you might not download the latest app or purchase the newest video game. Without marketing, you wouldn't know where to even buy them or how much they cost. In fact, without marketing, you might not even know about these products at all. So, what is marketing? Marketing is the activity, set of institutions, and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. For most, the ultimate goal of marketing is to attract the target customer to the business. To achieve this goal, businesses coordinate the 7 marketing functions, which are interrelated that must work together to get goods and services from producers to customers. The 7 marketing functions are market planning, product service management, market information management, pricing, channel management, promotion, and selling. These marketing functions on focus on understanding customers and making the products they want available to them. All of the market functions need to work together to make this happen. If one function is not doing its job, the other functions are affected. For example, if a business offers products that customers don't want, salespeople will not be able to sell, no matter how hard they work. If a business offers the right products, but the prices are too high, customers will not buy. If the products are not available where customers shop, the business will lose to its competitors. Can you think of any other examples? To understand how the marketing functions work together, let's take a look at each function and the type of activities involved. Why are they important? The 7 marketing functions are the basis of successful marketing. Indeed, each function has a major role in carrying out a business's plan and attract the target customer to the business. Let's take a closer look at the importance of each marketing function. Market planning. The first step of any activity is to make a plan. The market is no exception. The market planning function aims to create strategies to attract the target customer to a business. Market planning includes determining activities, goals, objectives, and procedures necessary to carry out those strategies. Market planning involves tasks such as understanding and selecting target markets, setting market goals, creating a market budget, forecasting sales, performing a situation analysis, SWOT analysis, market analysis, and competitive analysis. None of the other functions of marketing could exist without market planning. Think about it. How could you decide what products to sell, what information you need to sell them successfully, how to promote them, where and how to sell them, how much to sell, how much they should cost without a plan? Planning helps marketers be successful without wasting time and money on the wrong initiatives. For example, if a new clothing store performs a SWOT analysis and identifies market segments before deciding where to open, it will be more likely to reach success because its decisions will be informed by research and company goals. The details will be determined ahead of time, saving time and money. Without market planning, it would be difficult for companies to be profitable. Finally, market planning helps ensure that a certain market campaign is in line with the organization's mission and goals. Product service management. This marketing function involves obtaining, developing, maintaining, and improving a product or service in response to the market opportunities. The product service management function directs and controls all phases of the product lifecycle from beginning to end. This includes generating ideas for new products, improving and updating existing products, and removing products from the market. During this process, product service management tries to answer the following questions, such as what products meet our customers' wants and needs? What new products should be developed? Is the product packaged appropriately? Does the product meet the quality assurance standards of the other products in the product line? Where does the product fit in the product service mix? And what is the image of the business or the product? What image do we want the business or product to have? This is the function that involves deciding on the products that a business will produce or offer. It is important because a business must offer the products that customers want and need to be successful. The function includes making product decisions that determine whether or not a company will reach its sales goal and become profitable. Without product service management, companies would not have an organized, logical way to create and market new products to the target market. There would be no cohesion in product lines. The wrong product might be introduced to the wrong people at the wrong time, which damages the organization financially. Product service management also ensures that the company has met the appropriate standards and offers warranties and guarantees. This helps organizations avoid legal trouble and attract customers. For example, a 90-day satisfaction guarantee will increase the likelihood of purchase as opposed to a company that would not reimburse unsatisfied customers. In addition, the product service management functions help businesses determine the type of image they want to have of the business and its products. Once a business decides on an image, also known as a brand, they use the other marketing functions to support that image. For example, if a business wants a luxury image like that of BMW, the pricing function will establish the appropriate price for the product, and the promotion function will develop the appropriate advertising. Brands with a consistent image tend to be more successful, memorable, and established. However, before making any product service decisions, business needs information. They rely on the marketing information management function to provide necessary data. Marketing information management. Businesses need information to make good marketing decisions. That the function of marketing information management, which involves gathering, accessing, synthesizing, evaluating, and disseminating information. For the information to be of value, these activities take place on an ongoing, regular basis. Then the information must be given to people who need it. Accurate marketing information can help businesses answer questions such as who are our customers, where are they located, what products they want, why do they want them, when will they buy, and what do they think of the products once having bought them. Rather than making guesses, businesses make decisions based upon the data gathered, processed, reported, and maintained by the marketing information management function. After gathering data, marketing information management transforms these data into more understandable marketing information, distributes the information to company decision makers, and stores the information for future use. The overall goal is to obtain and maintain information that will help forecast or predict what will happen that might affect the business in the future. For example, Rika works for a cosmetic company. She thinks that there is a market for a new moisturizing face wash. But how can she determine for sure that the customers will buy it, or who those customers are, or how to reach them? That's where marketing information management comes in. Imagine trying to answer these difficult questions without the ability to gather research and make informed decisions. Being able to accurately understand and predict the impact of marketing activities not only saves time and money, but it also allows companies to reach success in attracting their target markets. In addition, marketing information management helps businesses to find out if customers are satisfied with their products. Without this information, businesses could only guess at what to produce or what changes to make. They may produce too much or not enough to meet the demand. They might not know what their competitors are selling or why customers are not buying. Businesses might lose money because they are not keeping up with the times or selling the products right. Pricing. The pricing function involves marketing and adjusting prices to maximize return and customer perception of value. This often involves deciding how much to charge for products so customers will want to buy and businesses will make a profit. For example, should a concert ticket be priced at $25, $50, $100, or more? To answer the questions, businesses try to maximize sales by setting the price so that they and their customers get the most value. Deciding on a product's price is not always easy. Businesses must consider many factors. Some of these factors encourage the business to set high prices. For example, a hot new toy that is in short supply might be priced higher because the demand is great. On the other hand, some factors encourage businesses to set low prices. These factors might include the price that competitors are charging or decreasing the demand for a product. Businesses regularly monitor these factors to adjust prices when necessary. When you are shopping, one of the first things you probably consider is its price. Price is just as important to people who set it as to the people who pay it. The pricing functions affects how well a product will sell and how much of a profit the business will make. To be successful, businesses need to set prices that customers are willing to pay. These prices also need to cover the costs and include sufficient profit. Getting the correct balance is important. There is a fine line between the right price and the wrong price. For example, a clothing manufacturer makes t-shirts for $3 and sells them for $15 to make a $12 gross profit. To make a larger profit, the manufacturer might simply increase the price. Right? Wrong. As the price of an item increases, the demand for it usually decreases. If the manufacturer increases the price too much, it might lose money because the customers will no longer want to buy at the high price. If you lower the price too much, though, you will not generate as much profit, which will impact your entire operation. The pricing function also helps businesses decide if they need to adjust price because the changes in the market. Marketers often research and analyze the price of their competitors. This helps to decide if they should lower prices because the competition, or raise price because demand is increasing. To learn more about pricing, check out the video, How to Set a Price. Please make sure you go in and do that, or if I have time, I'll come back and do that. Channel management. The marketing function is responsible for identifying, selecting, monitoring, and evaluating sales channels, also known as the channels of distribution. Each channel of distribution is a path or route that takes goods and services from the producer to the ultimate consumer or industrial user. The paths or routes aren't physical, however. Instead, they refer to the business or people who perform a variety of activities to enable products to be in the right place at the right time. Effective channel management is often a key to a business's success because it puts products in the customer's hands. This function helps businesses answer questions such as who will offer the products, where will they be offered, which channel members are responsible for promoting the products, and how well are channel members performing. What good is a great price if products are unavailable? That is why the channel management function is important. This function gets the products from the producer to the customer so they are available when and where the customers want to buy them. Efficient channel management allows businesses to have their products at the right place at the right time. If this doesn't happen, products cannot be sold. If you go to a restaurant known for its fantastic sushi only to learn that it does not have any fresh fish available, for example, the restaurant will more than likely lose your business. In addition to selecting channels of distribution for its products, the channel management function is also responsible for determining channel responsibilities and managing channel members. Channel management determines which channel members are responsible and best suited for shipping, promoting, and selling the product to customers. At the same time, it must ensure that each channel of distribution flows smoothly from the producer to the customer. After all, the business cannot make a profit if the customers don't have access to the products that they need. Promotion. The purpose of promotion function is to communicate information about goods, services, images, and/or ideas to achieve a desired outcome. Promotion informs, persuades, or reminds customers about a business and its products. Businesses use a variety of methods to communicate with customers. These may include advertising, which is TV, radio, newspaper, magazines, online, direct mail, product placement, out-of-home, such as billboards, transit, and websites. Publicity, news releases, press releases, personal appearance by celebrities, special events, feature articles, social media marketing. And sales promotions, store displays, samples, contests, coupons, trade shows, product demonstrations, and the novelty items. Can you think of other examples of promotional techniques? Products are available at the right price, but how do customers know about the products? The answer is promotion function, which has a lot to do with creating and increasing demand. Promotions inform customers about new products, improved products, new uses for existing products, and special values on products. For example, a magazine ad for a new computer attracts attention, generates interest, and draws customers to a business. A direct mail piece that includes a discount coupon encourages customers to take advantage of the savings. There is a reason that companies spend millions of dollars on television commercials and internet ads. Promotions can be extremely effective in attracting a whole wide audience, boosting sales, and getting the word out about products. The promotion function also helps to create an image or impression of a business. For example, a business might want to change its image to attract customers or to expand the target market. Coordinated advertising and public relations will get the message across. Effective promotions can do a lot to guarantee